Hi friend, my name is Krishna. I'm going to start SolidWorks sheet metals. So in sheet metals, I'm going to apply bend command. So before going to apply bend command, I need to draw one part. So let me draw a sketch before going to apply the bend. So let me choose the plane. I'll choose the right plane. Select the right plane. Click the sketch, normal, and draw one center rectangle like this and give a dimension. I'll take this one 250 and this length I'll take a 150. Now just click OK. Now exit from a sketch. Now just go to base flange and give a thickness. I have given 5 thickness. I'll give a 4. Select OK. Now I want to create bend here. So in this plate, this bend command in sheet metals. So before going to create this bend, I need to sketch some bend type, bend profile. So select this face, sketch, normal, and draw one circle, center circle. Select the circle and click in center and give a dimension. I'll give a dimension 125 or 130. I'll take 130. Select OK. Now just click this circle and do the offset command in sketch only, offset command, and go to reverse direction. Again you click this and again you select the offset command and choose the direction reverse. Again you choose this circle and go to offset command. Again you choose, otherwise you can choose from here. OK. Again you choose this circle and select the offset command and select the reverse direction and give a distance. I'll take this one 20. Select OK. So this is our profile of a sketch. Now I'll draw one line from this end point to this end point. OK. Now again you draw from here to here. Now what you have to do, just go to mirror image. No, so before going to mirror image, you need to select one more line like this, and now take the angle between this line and this line. I'll take 45-degree angle. OK. Now take a mirror image of this line, mirror about this line. Select OK. Again you take the mirror entity and select this line and this line by reference of mirror about this line. Select OK. Now this line also you can extend. Not we can click like this. Select OK. Or else just delete this one. Select this and go to mirror entity and select this one. Sorry. Select delete this line and mirror about this. select OK. Now exit from sketch. Now this is the your sketch profile. Now just turn like this. Now just go to vent option, select the vent. Now just click the area, it's automatically is selected. Now in below you can able to see the ribs. What is the ribs? This all line are called ribs. Select this ribs line, and this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line, and last this one. Now you need to if you want to change the width, so you can change from here. Change from here is D2, it's 5, D1, D2. So this width is 5 and inside width is 4. So if you want to change, I'll take the 6. Or you can increase 7. So I think this is too large. This is too large, so I'll take the 9. Okay. Even this one also is too large. I'll take 7. I'll take 5. You can take 4 also, no problem. Okay, now just go down, and sparse is here. So this circle is called a sparse. Just click the circle, this circle, this circle, so the diameter also is given. If you want to change, I will give a 3. Now just go down, and this is a fill in boundary. So this circle I left, so this I'm going to fill entire all circle. So I'll fill this circle, select this fill in boundary. So now just everything is fine. Now click OK. Now see, so this profile and this drawing is called vent. So this vent in sheet metals, you can generally this command, where exactly it is used. This command is used for CPU machine. I think you have seen in CPU they have given one exhaust fan. So in exhaust fan they are putting this kind of drawing. So this exhaust fan can able to adjust inside the fan. So this is the vent command. Okay, thank you. In next video we'll discuss another command. I think this normal cut, unfold, fold, flatten, no band, ribs, insert band, and rest of the all the except this sheet metals, except this commands. I have done all the conclusion flange base in earlier video. You can just visit my YouTube channel and convert to sheet metals, lofted band, 8 flange, meter flange, hem, jog, sketch band, cross bait, sub flange, corner. In corner we have 4 tabs, so you can able to see the types of corner, then uh, you can you can also see our video forming tools command, sheet metal guest, tab and slot, exhaust cut, simple hole, bend, and this is the last one, vent command. Okay, thank you.